Well, good evening, and thanks so much for joining us here. I'm Mike Gillespie.
I'm Leslie Adamy. We do begin tonight following breaking news, the latest update in the legal battle to remove Corpus Christi's mayor.
Mayor Guajardo's legal team is expanding the fight, adding 5 city council members to her lawsuit against the city. And tonight, a second development, this one out of federal court.
Our Natalia Osuna is here now with the very latest there. Natalia?
Hey, Mike, Leslie, that's right. Well, Mayor Guajardo has now expanded that lawsuit, adding council members Carolyn Vaughn, Gil Hernandez, Sylvia Campos, Kaylin Paxson, and Eric Cantu. This comes after federal judge George Hanks' temporary restraining order expired today. However, John Flood, the mayor's lawyer, just a few minutes ago tells me that Judge Hanks scheduled a preliminary injunction hearing for May 13th. A move that could determine whether that order holds or if it's overturned. That's not to be confused with the city's May 19th hearing. Both will be playing out on separate legal tracks. And the change is reflected in a court filing submitted April 23rd. The original complaint lists the mayor as a plaintiff and the city of Corpus Christi as a defendant. But now the amended document shows 6 defendants, the city of Corpus Christi and those 5 city council members. The council members now listed in the lawsuit have continuously voted to move forward with the petition calling for the mayor's removal. I spoke with John Flood, Mayor Guajardo's lawyer, and asked why those council members were added as defendants. He says they were compelled under law to have to name them. And in a statement to 3 News, Flood says in part, quote, "This is a misuse of government power. A small group is manipulating the process to remove a duly elected mayor and override the will of the voters. That should concern every resident," end quote. We reached out to those 5 city council members that are now listed as defendants. Most say they can't comment, like Councilman Eric Cantu.
She added to her lawsuit that she'd sued the city, and she added us as defendants on the case. So our attorneys on Friday told us not to make a comment on it.
Meanwhile, Councilman Gil Hernandez says he believes the process will continue to move forward.
The addition of council members to the mayor's lawsuit doesn't change anything. We're going to continue moving forward unless told otherwise by the federal judge. But we're following the charter, and we're just going to follow that process.
We also reached out to Hal George, the attorney hired by the city, for comment, but did not receive a response. And we'll continue to follow this ongoing legal battle as we keep an eye out for both of those hearings coming up in May. Leslie, Mike.